Name the pulmonary disease in which the alveolar surface area involved in gas exchange is drastically reduced due to damage in the alveolar walls. The answer is option C, emphysema. Emphysema is a chronic obstructive pulmonary disease characterized by the destruction of the alveolar walls, leading to the enlargement of the alveoli and a significant reduction in the surface area for gas exchange. The damage in emphysema is often caused by long-term exposure to irritants like cigarette smoke or air pollution. So, option C is the correct answer. Option A, asthma. It is a condition involving inflammation and narrowing of the airways. Option B, pleurisy. It is the inflammation of the pleura, that is the lining around the lungs. So option B is incorrect. Option D, pneumonia. It is a lung infection that causes inflammation of alveoli. So the answer is emphysema.